We're looking at a faux copper finish or a patinaed copper painted finish. There's a whole lot of different expressions, but basically what we're looking at doing is making a surface a copper color and then putting a finish on it to make it look like it's oxidized. So what you need is, firstly, you need your piece you're going to paint, and here we've painted it in copper with a little bit of brown mixed in, and you can see we've already been playing around a little bit with the verdigris finish. Leave that to dry. Then once that's dry, we're going to put this patina or glaze over the top of it. So I'm taking the water-based patina, the Matisse Medium, and I'm just going to mix a little bit of phthalo green and a tiny bit of white. We want the white and the green to actually mix together and mix as we're doing it and catch in all the crevices, because that's the way a normal object, if it's handled, it would have that rubbed away in places and mixed in places. The reason you're using the patina, the water-based patina, is because it will slow the drying time of the paint and allow us to move the paint around. You can see it almost looks like I've painted it there, but I'm going to come back and wipe a whole lot of that back off. So you'll see I'm just looking around, I've got a fair bit of white in there, and I'm just wiping back, and I've got plenty of time to work this. An hour to 2 hours, depends on how thick this glaze is, how much patina you use and how much paint you use. It's a bit heavy over there, I'll try and take it off a little bit more. And of course we want it to catch in those cracks, as I mentioned before, because you'd expect if a pot like this was being handled that here would be fairly clean, but in the crevices and cracks there'd be more of the oxidization happening. And it really is that simple. You'll need to leave this dry for several days to make sure it's completely dry. Then if you're putting it outside, you'll need a solvent-based varnish on it. So that's water-based patina or glazing medium, antiquing medium. Why not go out and try some?